Hi guys, my name's Mark40YT, and today we are going to be wiping the heck out of people with this awesome paintball minigun. Just let me show you what it's capable of. As you can see. Oh man! Straight away, go taken out by a sentry. That's not good. But as you can see, it's a bit of a spraying gun. Oh my god, that is some lag. I might actually go for the cheaper variant since. Oh my. Oh my, that was some lag. So I've got a laggy computer. I've got 2,000 bucks, but I've got a minigun. So overall, things are going well. You got 2,000. Oh, did I actually have to spawn right next to an enemy sentry? Man, that is annoying. There's actually a guy in the server with a golden gun, if some of you want to think of it as this, a rip-off of Arsenal, because to get the final kill in Arsenal, you need the golden gun. Look right there, golden gun. Gets you extra credits per kill, the Midas touch. Hopefully that doesn't get copyrighted, because you know what YouTube's like with copyrights. You know, they want to copyright everything. Man, I am getting so many kills. I love that sentry. Good little sentry. Pat, pat. Oh god, I need backup. I am actually. Somebody just took out my sentry. It was good whilst it lasted, because it gave me 2,000 credits. Oh, we're in the countdown. Woo. Okay, match results: 11,000 credits. Because I haven't played this before, but 11,000 credits. I'm personally going to go for concrete because it's good fun. I do like it. Because it's made of concrete, the best and strongest material in the world. But sadly, concrete didn't win. Classic won, which this is classic. I probably should have gone with a scout because that's a sniper in this game. So keep people out of my land. Because I am the king. Play for 30 minutes. Yes. Let's see how, I'm going to take this out this time. So I can pick people off from afar with snapper. Because you can see it goes really far in. Oh, she is actually dominating the server, which means I'm going to have to take the minigun. I will avenge the death of all my former teammates. Give them another lease of life. Okay, here they are. Because I just avenged it. Oh, this guy has dual ray guns. We might have a problem because dual ray guns. Those things can do some damage. One hit from a dual ray gun and you are dead. Oh, I actually attacked a guy without looking. That was actually pretty good going. What? Oh my lord. Golden gun can do so much damage. Straight away, as soon as I step out, I get killed. 75,000. Okay. P90s in this game are cheap. I'm telling you that firsthand. They are cheap. So, pew 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 pew. Oh, look at those good news. Okay, she actually has a ton, like a ton of sentries outside, just waiting to gobble up every single person. Like, no, 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 no. There's actually a clip of Emma from MIB of somebody gobbling up. MIB too. I can't show it to you because that's copyright. Wait, did somebody actually get in? No, it's the drone. The drone can peek over the edge. That might be a bit of a problem. Yeah, that's going to be a bit of a problem since she keeps on moving. It's impossible to get. Well, I assume it's a she. Because avatar. Because the avatar's a she. Yeah, the avatar is a she. Beep 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 beep. Oh, I actually got hit. Actually hit. I got killed by the drone again. She's raking up so much money. Oh, somebody actually just killed her. Oh, these guys are cheats. These guys are cheats because they're just camping, and I'm pretty sure that's against the rules. And we get a pew pew pew, a pew pew. I wish this was like Bridge where there was an under area. Oh! I just killed! I just shot them. I went pew 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 and watched them. I watched my paint drown into their heads. And we're gonna go pew 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 some more. Pew 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 pew. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna try the minigun again since we are pushing them back. One sec, no, she's on a 41 streak and she's got tagged 62. Man, she is doing well, bro. She is doing well. She's raking up so much credits and making so much money. Just from a paintball gun. This paintball gun has unique effects. What are these? No, none of them do. Anyway, we're gonna head out with a minigun again. Cause our team, our army of warriors needs us to save them. Spooky, scary skeletons. Beep 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 beep. Oh yeah, I crashed the drone. Let me guess, she has enough kills. Let's get another one. She probably does, to be honest. I'm gonna go take out that sentry as like it's the last thing I'll do. Oh god, oh god, oh god. That scared me. That actually scared me. Oh! That was kidding. Oh, there's a guy there. Okay. I need to bear that in mind. There's a guy there. Right there should be a guy. Oh! Oh! As soon as I turned around. Help. But we stayed alive because we were in the safe area. Can't believe she has 105. Oh, gee. Oh. I actually just killed her long shot with a minigun. That pew 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 make the days boys. That pew pew pew. Yeah, as you can see, that was a girl avatar. Pew 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 pew. A pew pew pewing like pew pew games. Birds. A pew pew pewing for pew pew days, boys. How many kills? Oh, dude, I need 1 kill. 1 kill and I've got a sentry. I've got 1 kill and I've got a flipping sentry. Life could not be better right now. Oh. That has to go right past and go pew 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 and kill me. I mean tag me. And obviously I lag out and it destroys me. So overall things are going even better than before. Pew 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 pew. It's rain the paintballs from out of the sky. Paintballs nodding together. Just cover your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining paintballs. Shoot, 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 shoot. It's full of pain. Shoot, 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 shoot. It's like, I don't know why the heck I'm singing that. Because it does not sound accurate. What the flip just happened? I wish there was a replay function in this game. If there was, that would be so cool because I'm just being able to find out what you... Are you kidding me? Yeetmas Maximus. Say hello to my dear little friend. Say hello to my little friend. Say hello to my little friend, you menial drone. Say hello to it. Say hello. It's a minigun and it's gonna go pew 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 pew. I think I've been playing for long enough to show you guys now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop now. And I go oof 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 and it just cracks my head over like. But let me know in the comments if you want to see more big paintball. I'll see you next time. Bye!